Another day, another watch. Today I'll be showcasing this Fossil Ladies Smartwatch. It's in Virginia rose gold and it's fully stainless steel. And let's get straight into the box. That's a quick start guide, and that's the warranty information included with this watch as well. So let's move that to one side. Let's take this film off. Very easy to set up. Download the Fossil Q app onto your Android or iPhone smartphone. Pair it via the on-screen instruction, install any updates, and after this procedure the watch is ready to use. And I'm just going to give you a quick look around the watch. I'll go over some of the main features on this watch. It's got built-in activity tracking, and that tracks your steps, distance and calories burned. These are counted and displayed via the Fossil Q app on your smartphone. When you receive a notification or an alert on your phone, a gentle buzz is sent to your watch. These buttons are customizable. They can control your music, check the date, take a picture on your phone by pressing a customized button. This watch is water resistant to 5 bar, and this allows for minor splashing. This watch features a phone finder, an alarm, and many more features. The straps are interchangeable on this model, and this just gives you a custom look, and these can be ordered from the Fossil website. Right, now I'll give you some measurements, so I'll just get my trusty old ruler out. So it's roughly 3.6 centimeters across. And the same from top to bottom. The thickness is approximately 1 centimeter. Now I would say just over that because I haven't included the back there, so it's just going over a centimeter, so roughly 1.1 centimeter. And I'll give you one more look while I end this video. And there you have it. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.